Legends of Learning presents the Democratic Moon Game. This is a history game that makes learning about the democratic principles fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, humans have landed on the moon, established a democratic government on the moon by revisiting the history of the US independence, and learn about how human rights were recognized and protected and promoted in a new government system. Use the mouse to click and place buildings to expand the colony on the moon. Use the different structures built to continue to grow and expand the colony. Read interesting facts about how well governing institutions are created and how rules and laws are protected to create a flourishing democratic society. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.